In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Ahrefs subscription, whether you're simplifying your digital marketing tools, reallocating your budget, or simply taking a break. Understanding how to navigate the cancellation process is essential. So let's dive right in and guide you through each step, ensuring you can confidently manage your subscription. First, make sure you are connected to the internet and open up your preferred browser. Whether you're on a desktop or using a mobile device, the process is the same. Head over to the Ahrefs website. Ahrefs is renowned for being a powerful suite of marketing intelligence tools powered by comprehensive data analytics. It's a go-to resource for SEO professionals and digital marketers aiming to gain insights into their website's performance, research competitors, and much more. Once you're at the Ahrefs homepage, the next step is to access your account. Look for the login area or the option to sign in with Google, depending on how you usually access your account. This provides flexibility for users who prefer different methods of signing into their accounts, catering to both traditional email, password preferences, and those who prefer the convenience of using their Google credentials. After you've located the login section, click on the sign in button. If you're logging in with your email and password, be sure to enter your details correctly. If any errors occur, double check your credentials and try again. Successful login is a crucial step, as it grants you access to your Ahrefs dashboard, which is the control room for all your Ahrefs activities. Upon successfully signing in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where you can overview all the essential metrics, manage your projects, and access various Ahrefs tools. It's designed to provide a snapshot of your ongoing SEO efforts. Next, navigate to your profile workspace on the dashboard. This might be represented by your name or company's name, depending on how you've set up your account. Clicking on this will reveal additional settings and options related to your personal Ahrefs workspace. Within this area, find and click on the Account Settings option. This section is the central hub for managing your account details, preferences, and various account-related settings. It's here that you can make adjustments to your profile, change your password, and of course, manage your subscription. Now look for the billing section within your account settings. Here, Ahrefs lays out all the details regarding your current subscription, including the plan you're on, the billing cycle, and payment method. It's a straightforward way to review your subscription details before making any changes. Should you decide to proceed with the cancellation, this is the section where you can initiate the process. Although we're not showing the exact click path to cancel, as these interfaces may update from time to time, look for options such as cancel subscription, manage subscription, or something along those lines. Typically, Ahrefs will guide you through a few steps to confirm your decision, possibly asking for feedback on why you're choosing to cancel. As you navigate these final steps, it's essential to read all the information provided carefully. There might be important details regarding the cancellation policy, including any prorated refunds you might be eligible for, or how long you'll still have access to your paid features until your current billing cycle ends. Remember, following these steps doesn't immediately erase your Ahrefs account or your data. It merely stops future billing and downgrades your access to the free or limited features provided by Ahrefs. Should you decide to return to Ahrefs in the future, you can always restart your subscription. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the process of cancelling your Ahrefs subscription, whether you're consolidating your toolkit or pausing your SEO efforts. Understanding how to manage your subscriptions empowers you to adapt your digital marketing strategy as your needs evolve. A final tip: always consider reaching out to customer support if you encounter any issues or have specific questions. Ahrefs has a dedicated team to assist with account and billing inquiries, ready to help you out. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and for more tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep optimizing.